The second runner-up goes to Shwet Sojitra of Dhatu House. Come on, all the houses. Members, cheer them up. The first runner-up, Arjun Krishnan of Vayu House. Second runner-up, Shwet Sojitra, Dhatu House. First runner-up, Arjun Krishnan, Vayu House. And the winner is Sumit Katoch of Jeevan House. Congratulations, boys. The next category was the 50-meter race for Class 3 girls. The next category was the 50-meter race for Class 3 girls, and the second runner-up goes to Tia Kapoor of Agni House.
You don't need to cry. I don't want tears in your eyes. If you need love, I give you
First runner-up, Pira Devani of Dhatu House.
cry. I know to die. You don't need to cry. Yeah, we're gonna block from the sun tonight. Yeah, I will let me show you.
And the winner is Maria Sheikh of Agni House once again.
You don't need to cry.
Then thank you. Congratulations, girls, and thank you, Mr. Chaturvedi. And now I request Mr. and Mrs. Tulsian to kindly come forward and give away the prizes for the next set of winners. I request Mr. and Mrs. Barnwal, parents of Dhruv Barnwal, to kindly come forward. Mr. and Mrs. Barnwal, parents of Dhruv Barnwal.
You don't need to cry.
I request Mr. and Mrs. Jogani to please come forward and do the honors for the next set of winners. The next category was the frog race for Class 3 boys, and the second runner-up position goes to Yaksh Mehta of Agni House. Parents, please keep cheering our young athletes. First runner-up position goes to Kabir Kaludi of Jaram House. And the winner for this frog race is Harman Tejani of Dhatu House. Lakshil Premani of Agni House. And the winner is Kushal Talati of Jalam House. Congratulations to all of you. The next category was the stick race for class 3 boys. The races were already held earlier and we have the results with us. The second runner-up position goes to Mohammad Mohsin Honani and Jay Shah of Agni House. Agni House, cheer for your teammates. The first runner-up position goes to Shwet Sojitra and Spandan Shah of Dhatu House.
Que miente y attention. Dicen de ti que eres una serpiente psicópata de mente.
And the winning team is Devnath Rathore and Sumit Katoch of Jeevam House. Jeevam House, we need to hear loud claps coming from your Shamiana.
Everybody saying that God got some attention. Got some attention. Got attention.
And the last category was the stick race for class 3 girls. The second runner-up position goes to Dhatu House with Pira Devani and Riddhi Mevawala.
Dicen que ese perfume que llevas en
First runner-up position goes to Tia Kapoor and Ria Chauhan, once again of Agni House.
Estás súper sensual, I'm ready para la acción. ¿Dónde tienes un Pokémon?
And this is unbelievable. The first position also goes to Agni House with Maria Sheikh and Devika Rathore. Congratulations to all of you. And thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Jogani.
And the race has begun. There is insane speed shown by the runners as they finish the race now. That was good. The next category is 50-meter race for class 4 girls. And the participants are Muskan Mehta of Jeevam House, N. Aditi of Agni House, Rupsa Roy of Vayu House, Mahi Singh of Dhatu House, Khushi Udani of Dhatu House, Pranshuta Chaturvedi of Jeevam House, and Aditi Mahajan of Agni House, and Jia Patel of Agni House. All the best, girls. And here come the girls. There is a tough competition. And
Yes.
we have the next category. The shuttle run is often used to measure the kind of endurance you need for stop-and-go sports such as soccer, hockey, basketball and tennis.
सर
It is a German drill, and today we have participants of class 4 showing us the speed and endurance as they run between stations to pick up vegetables. We wait as the vegetables are put on the track, and the players are anxious to win this race for their houses. By the way, Anish, who are the participants for this race? The participants for the market race of the boys are Darshan Baradia from Dhatu House, Taki Alam from Agni House, Aryan Shah from Dhatu House, Muhammad Aman Qureshi from Jivam House, Rahil Jogani from Jivam House, Sanay Ezawa from Jivam House, Nishant Thailiani from Jalam House, Aditya Padhekar from Bhumi House, and Aridam Malik from Dhatu House. All the best, boys. Here the race begins, and we have the first lap done. The first station is crossed. They run on to the second station and they have picked up their vegetables. They run back. Here they come for the last and the third station. The speed is maintained. Look up, boys. And the market race for class 4 boys is finished. And the next category we have, it's over. And the next category we have is market race for class 4 girls. And the participants are Tanish Badi from Jivam House, Zoya Kapadia from Bhumi House, Anshika Agarwal from Vayu House, Yashvi Dhanani from Agni House, Garima Marfatia from Jivam House, Malvika Nair from Vayu House, Kashish Nichani from Jalam House, Khushi Agarwal from Jivam House, and Komal Agarwal from Jalam House. All the best, girls. And here we begin the race as the girls run to the first station, pick up the vegetables and go back to the start line. They have started running towards the second station, picked up their vegetables, and there they go. It is an exhaustive drill with 3 stations. Now they will come for the third station. They have reached the third station and here they go towards the start line. Intense competition shown by the girls.
I would like to call Mr. and Mrs. Desai, parents of Harshil Desai of class 5A, near the control tent. Mr. and Mrs. Chabra, parents of Kiratpreet Chabra of class 5A. Mr. and Mrs. Kapadia, parents of Atif Kapadia of class 5B, and Mr. and Mrs. Thakur, parents of Paridhi Thakur of class 5B. Parents, please come near the control tent. Mr. and Mrs. Desai, parents of Harshil Desai. Mr. and Mrs. Chabra, parents of Kiratpreet Chabra. Mr. and Mrs. Kapadia, parents of Atif Kapadia. And Mr. and Mrs. Thakur, parents of Paridhi Thakur, are requested to kindly come near the control tent.
Hurdles are an inevitable part of any race. The runners constantly encounter various hurdles to accomplish their mission. Here, our young DPST hurdle avoiders are crossing one hurdle in order to achieve their goal. Hurdle race for class 4 boys. And the participants are Aditya Singh of Bhumi House, Ansh Bargle of Vayu House, Mohammad Motiwala of Dhatu House, Rudra Gandhi of Vayu House, Aman Yadav of Jivam House, Naman Tomar of Vayu House, Chirag Nakipuria of Dhatu House, Aditya Gondalia of Dhatu House, Jay Ahuja of Bhumi House, and Muhammad Shoaib Shahidi of Vayu House. Best of luck, boys. The race has started, and now they are just going to cross the hurdles, and here they cross the hurdles. Aditya wins the race, followed by Ansh. That was a great race, boys. That was an exciting show. Well done, all of you. The last category for class 4.
I would once again like to call Mr. and Mrs. Thakur, parents of Paridhi Thakur, near the control tent. Mr. and Mrs. Hunani, parents of Wasim Hunani, are requested to please come near the control tent. Mr. and Mrs. Hunani, parents of Wasim Hunani.
The last category for class 4 was the 3-legged race, which was already done in school. We have the results of the race here with us. With this, the class 4 races come to an end. And now we come to the prize distribution ceremony for the class 4 individual events. I would like the winner of Vayu House. Congratulations, boys.
प्लीज साइड उधर या
Congratulations, boys. And the next category was the three-legged race for class 4 girls. And we have the second runner-up, Mai Singh and Kushi Udani from Batu House. The first runner-up were Rupsa Roy and Angel Shad of Vayu House. And the winning team was Aditi Mahachanan and Aditi from Agni House. Congratulations, girls, and thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Desai. Now I would like to call Mr. and Miss Hunani to give away the prizes. Sadiq Ali Balsania again from Bhumi House. And the winner was Ahmed Jan Hassan of Jadam House. Congratulations, boys. You did great for your houses. And the next category we had 50-meter race for class 4 girls. And the second runner-up was Muskan Mehta from Jivam House. The first runner-up was Mahi Singh from Batu House. And the winner, Kushi Udani again from Batu House. Congratulations, girls. You have made your houses proud. We'd like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Dunani for doing the honors. Now I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Chabra to kindly come forward and give away the prizes to the next set of winners. The next category we have market race for class 4 boys. The second runner-up was Taki Alam of Agni House. The first runner-up was Muhammad Aman Qureshi from Jivam House. And the winner, Sane Izawa of Jivam House. Congratulations, boys. The next category was the market race for class 4 girls. And we have the second runner-up, Anshika Agarwal from
Sir.
Vayu House.
Sir.
The first runner-up, we have Khushi Agarwal of Jivam House. And the winner, Malvika Nair, again from Vayu House. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Chabra, and congratulations, winners. Now I would like to invite Mr. and Mrs. Kapadia to kindly come forward and give away the prizes to the next set of winners. The next category we had hurdle race for class 4 boys. And the second runner-up was Ansh Bargale of Vayu House. The first runner-up was Chirag Natipuria from Dhatu House. And the winner was Aditya Gondalia of Dhatu House again. Congrats, winners. And thank you, Mrs. Kapadia, for doing the honors.